Hello there, Tom Zarenskis here, the creator of TrueSpell and SpellSafe pronunciation, and I'd like to talk about a Panphone called Computers, and it's analyzed by TrueSpell Phonetics, which allows this to be done because it's done by spreadsheets. And here we go. Here is a description of what a Panphone is, and here is the Panphone story. I'll read the phonetics. There was war during the last royal regime, but now peace. I hope it lasts forever because computers have taken over. With them in charge, I wish. And that is the Panphone read, and here is the analysis proof that each phoneme is represented. 23 consonants, 17 vowels, and you can freeze on these to see them. Here is an analysis. 37% are vowels and 63% are consonants. And some more analysis down here, and there are 27 words. And so there are a lot of these Panphones that I am making, and they allow you to read them phonetically and also see them and hear me, so that it is good English language training. U.S. English language, and I am a native speaker of American English. Thank you.